Do you ever scroll through Pinterest admiring cute tops? Meanwhile, your tops looks nothing like them? Well, in this video, we will be making our dream tops using the normal top that we have been wearing in a while, and we probably got bored because it's normal to get over something when you keep using it for the longest time. So our first top is a tank top. Hold your top upside down like this, tie at the back and fold the bottom and also tie at the back, and there we have our tank top without cutting or sewing any material, but just wearing our basic top, and it really look amazing and I love it. Cowl neck top. Again, hold your basic top upside down, use safety pins to hold together both sides and then pin them together at the back. Then fold the bottom and tie the sleeves at the back. And there we have our cowl neck top from our basic top. Honestly, I love how it turned out. I can't believe I didn't have to cut or sew anything. Fancy crop top. Hold your top this way, rotate the sleeves at the back and bring them to the front, and then pull them over your shoulders and pull them through the top this way. And tie the sleeves at the back again. And there we have our dream top. Isn't this pretty? I really love how it turned out, and I can really wear this going out or even on a date. Separate neck piece. Wear your top like a tube top, just like the way I have done. Pull the top sleeves from the back to the front along your neck and tie them together like this. Just like that, we have our dream top. X-neck tube top. Wear your top this way, take your both sleeves and pass them through each other in an X format and tie them at the back just like this, and there we have our Pinterest dream top. Square neck top. Just wear your top this way, then take your sleeves and pull them from the back of your arms to this front, then tie each sleeve on each other like this. Stretch your sleeves this way to create your aesthetical Pinterest top, and just look the way it turned out. So pretty, and I just love this top. Off shoulder top. This one we just proceed from the previous one, which is the square neck top, and then just pull down the sleeve this way, and there we have our top. It's really pretty, and I also love this one. It's one of my favorite. I really don't know the name of this pretty top, but I love it. Just wear your top in this manner and tie a knot of both of the sleeves. Tie them back. And there you have your dream top. Asymmetric top. Hold your top this way and then put it asymmetrically on yourself and tie the corners together at the back. And here we have our asymmetrical top. Tube top. This is our last top that we'll be trying to hack from this basic top. Wear your top and then tie your board sleeves at the front and get your pretty top just like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to try out these cool hacks on your basic tops.